got all our bikes there. Guys are doing good on this stony descent. I like it. Woohoo! Woohoo! So we are done with the gorilla trekking. Everybody was super happy for getting up and close with the big silverbacks, and now we have to make our way to Lake Bunyoni. And we're going over the mountain pass once again, so hopefully we will stay dry, but it's hard to tell what the climate will. It looks pretty damn gray up there once again. So we just here at the rest stop, Lake Bunyoni down there is where we're gonna spend the night. It was a fun ride. Getting over the pass today, just doing a little viewpoint stop here, and then we'll continue down. Look at all these beauties. We're coming down from the pass. That was a fun, speedy ride up over dry roads, no rain, full visibility. Lots of crap on the road though, stones and sand and water coming across. We can see Lake Bunyoni down there below us. That's where we're gonna spend the night at a lakeside resort. So now we just gotta get safely down from the pass with everybody, and then we will check what the road conditions are like down below. There is a dirt option we can do, or we gotta do a bit of a detour into Kabale, the big city, if we want to do the paved option. So a couple of miles further down we will know, but this road here is so much fun. Can you see it? I hope you can see it. Ooh. So we're here to turn off at Lake Bunyoni, where we can do a dirt section. So we're gonna let Joseph ride ahead, and then we will have some fun, about 20 kilometers of gravel to our hotel. You can go. Looks a little tricky here. We might have another man down on this stretch. Just take it super easy. All right, this is what we like. I like it. Woohoo! It's just on the edge of the river here, on the way to our hotel. Look at that, very awesome. Good, let's hope it stays dry. Okay, we don't want anyone to... Lovely little forest road. And we got the gang there, the entire 10 bikes ahead. Our local guide Joseph is leading right now, as last year we only did a couple of kilometers in before we had to turn around. Most of the riders were not really capable of the muddy trails that we encountered. So let's see if we will get to those this year as well. If not, hopefully Joseph will get us safely to the hotel. About 5 15 kilometers, I think 20 kilometers from here. A lot of dust. Oosh. But we're saving about 20 kilometers or even more. According to the GPS, said it will take 6 hours to do these 20 kilometers. I doubt that's right, but let's not hope. Over there, across, coming up the hill, very scenic here. Little fields all the way down to the water edge, and on the other side, the whole hillside is being worked on. Hello, children. Guys are doing good on this stony descent. Oop, we got one down, 2 down. Well, I'll come to the rescue. Well done. Let's see these guys. Well, all right, got Timmy. Well done. So Joseph's guide bike gave up. So I guess I will just lead it. Try and make sure everybody makes it to the hotel. But this should just be a straight shot, 17 kilometers from here. Hello. But very, very scenic little dirt road. Lots of locals here along the shores. Very nice area. Look at these communities here. Beautiful setting. Not so beautiful houses. Seems to be fairly poor, even though it's obviously very fertile. And looks like anything can grow here. It's so green. They all got it. The little mini river crossing. Now let's see if we get it here on the right road. Let's see this kind of that seems to be right. Yeah, good. The boys gave us the right directions. This view is awesome. People are working everywhere up here. Big waterhole, mines, don't know what. Now it looks like we're getting onto a little bit of a bigger. Oh yeah, now I remember this part from last year. So we are on track for sure. We're getting into the village, and then we're gonna go down now. Some steep. We have everyone with us. Looks like we got them one by one. They're coming in like sausages on a string, like we say in Denmark. So we have arrived at our hotel in Lake Buyuni, and you look here behind me, that's the lake. We got our own little pier, got a nice setup here with people camping down there. We have some nice cabins behind us where we stay in, and it's a really nice compound here by the lake. Awesome Awesome resort to come and relax. And we got all our bikes there waiting for us for tomorrow. 10 o'clock departure, then we'll go to Mburo National Park for our last game drive. That should be exciting. Slippy, slippy. Got an angry one or what? This one is like coming out to see what we're doing here.